Hi there. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can create report in Vaizle. So you just go to the report section in the left menu, and this is where you can see all the list of the reports that you have created. Since we don't have any, we are not seeing any, but I'm going to show you by the end of this video that how the listing will appear and what you can do with it. So let's just get started and build our first report. So in the report builder, you see two sections. In the center, you have basically the preview, and on the right, you have all the customization options and ability to make changes and create new graphs. Um, so to begin with, you can either create a competitive analysis report or you can create a self-analysis report, or maybe just do it for just one brand. So for instance, this is Toyota selected. If you want to create it for Nissan, you can also do that. But I'm going to do a competitive analysis and select all the three brands that are added in the account. So you can actually white label your reports, and right now you can see that that an agency's logo is here. So if I want to add Vaizle, I can simply do that. If you want to upload a new one, you can click on add a new logo and add a new one, name it square, set as default, and when I click save, it will appear in the portfolio of your logos. So now it's there. I can just select this one, click on done, and the logo has appeared. You can see I can also add title to the report. I'm going to do it for Facebook and, or let's just say shorten it, Facebook and IG report. And when I do that, you can see this title is changed in real time. I can also add the name of the account manager, and once I do that, you can see the name has also appeared. So this is extremely valuable if you have over, let's say, 10 or 15 or 20 different employees, and they are trying to send and interact directly with the client. They can add their own names and make report even more contextual. I'm going to create report for the month of December only, starting from 1st of December and ending in 31st December. So as I told you, I'm going to create report for Facebook and Instagram only. So I'll select Facebook and Instagram. If I do want to do it for cross channel, I can select cross channel. And based on what you select here, the options for adding graphs will change as well. So right now you can see only cross channel and Facebook were active. I'll just remove cross channel and you see this has become dim, and I'll select Instagram. So again, I have Facebook and Instagram available, right? Let's go to the section where we can actually add graphs. So I'm going to remove all the graphs that were present by default, and we are going to start from creating a fresh report. So this is just a front page, and the final page where all the metrics that we add, there will be explanation of it. So I click on brand activity, and you see the brand activity page has appeared. Similarly, I will add a brand activity for a page for Instagram. I clicked here and you see this graph has built up. Similarly, I can create for brand engagement for all the content type, and you can see the brand engagement for Instagram for all the content types has appeared. So that's how easily you can add graphs in your Vaizle report. It's just a matter of one click, right? And if you want to add comments and comments and notes in your report, you can also do that. And this white space at the bottom where all your notes by default appear. So let me just add first comment. So this is for brand activity for Instagram page, right? So let me take you to the brand activity for Instagram, and you can see this note is appearing here. In case you are not able to see it in the recorded video, I'm just going to make the text huge, and I'm sure that you must be able to see it now. This report is indeed awesome. So that's how you can add your notes, and it is capable of making the text editing as well. So you can bold italicize your text, and even add bullet points and format your text as well. You can also add these comments in the section adjacent to the graph. For instance, if you want to add this comment for this overview graph on the Instagram page, just go to Overview Insights, and now I have access to the comment section of this graph. When I typed it here, let me make the text even bigger. You can see this insight has appeared adjacent to the graph. Similarly, you can add all the insights that you want to add either in the node section or adjacent to a graph and make your report highly contextual. And once you're sure that you have added all the relevant information, you can click on this download button to download the report. It will take a few seconds for your graph to build up and the downloading to begin. So you can see this report has been downloaded here, and I'm going to show you how it looks like in preview. It's exactly the way we created it. And brand activity for Facebook, brand activity for Instagram, and the report is also available. Let me just zoom in just to show you this report is awesome. This report is awesome. And we can also see the brand engagement that we had added for Instagram. That's how easily you can create your reports. And once you have created it, you don't need to save it as a template because it's already added here. And now if you want to create a report, another report just by duplicating it, you can simply click on this duplicate report button and you can start creating a report with new set of brands, or let's say a new set of modules. So that's how you can simply duplicate your already created reports and use them as a template. If you don't want to download this report and send it to a client like this, you can also copy a live link to the report. And all you have to do is share this link with your client. And once he click on it, he will get this report in his own dashboard where the graphs will be built in real time for a particular timeline. So your client will be extremely happy, and our customers are actually using this, and this is a very exciting feature for them. You can also copy the PDF link to the report, and once you copy it and click here, the report will be automatically downloaded. So in case you don't want to send a live link report, you can also send a PDF report and the client can download it on his own. And I hope this video was valuable for you. If you have any questions, you can reach us out at support@vaizle.com.